Hey, what's up guys? Min here with Dental Tech Tips, and today we're doing a product feature of the Harvest Vertex Dental Articulator. In this video, we'll show you how the Harvest Vertex addresses common issues faced by dental labs and technicians, its timeless design and features, and how to integrate it seamlessly with your 3Shape system via a quick and easy DME import. The most common digital articulators found in the lab today can be both costly and present some issues. Firstly, they're made from metal, making them very expensive to acquire, limiting the amount that you find in the lab, so they're very prone to being misplaced or hoarded by certain technicians. Additionally, when looking at the CAD design, these interfaces use a lot of print material, leading to higher costs overall. When looking at cheaper plastic Vertex variations that you often see, the generic printed Vertex cup can be problematic. Print resins are inherently brittle, and the flex slot design of the Vertex requires some flexibility. This brittleness can lead to breakage when inserting or removing the Vertex ball from a printed socket. Additionally, printer and resin tolerances vary significantly, leading to issues such as the Vertex ball fitting too loosely in the printer interface or even falling out due to insufficient retention. The Harvest Vertex solves these issues with a durable, high-quality nylon construction that outperforms cheaper plastic Vertex imitators. The design of the CAD attachment in 3Shape Model Builder can be purely subtractive, meaning it uses less material, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Plus, its disposable nature ensures that it's always available without the worry of loss or breakage. Let's take a closer look at the Harvest Vertex. An homage to the original that was released all the way back in 1983, this one is crafted very much from the same high-quality nylon, offering superior durability and strength compared to most cheaper plastic variations that you see on the market today. The Harvest Vertex is designed to be user-friendly and efficient, making it a valuable addition to any dental lab. Next, we'll guide you through importing the 3Shape DME into your 3Shape Dental System control panel for use in conjunction with Model Builder. You're going to go ahead, open up your control panel, you're going to navigate down to the Import-Export section and navigate to the DME that you've downloaded from the Harvest website. You're going to click on this, hit open, and import the DME. Once that's successful, it's going to go and give you a dialog that says materials have been imported successfully. You're going to hit OK and navigate backwards. What you're going to see under the digital model design options and articulator interfaces at the very bottom of that imported list is a variety of options from Harvest for a purely subtractive, full arch, quadrant, with pins and without pins. So instead of going through and building models and trying to test which one works best, what I've done is I've went ahead and created 3 test cubes that you can also download from the Harvest website. You're going to go ahead, take these test cube STLs, throw them into your printer, and they have a +40, a 0 offset, and a -40 option. You're going to print these off, and then you're going to test the fits of these cubes relative to your Harvest Vertex slots and see which one fits the best. For my personal use, I find that the -40 works best because it allows a little bit of a gap for some VersaGlue to go in there to attach the Harvest Articulator to the print interface here. Once you've done that, my recommendation actually is to go back into Control Panel, select the one that fits best for you, and delete everything else that doesn't work, just to keep your options nice and neat. So once you get into Model Builder, you're going to go do your regular preparation steps, go through, and once you get to this articulator interface, again, at the bottom of the list, you're going to see all these different options. You have the Harvest Full Arch. Again, mine is -40 with the pins. If you don't need pins, you can also go with the Harvest Full Arch kit with the -40 no pins. You can also have quadrant models with a smaller attachment to it. And finally, the purely subtractive ultimate material savings option is here. And typically we won't have a full palette model either, so that's why the full arch has that larger bar to bridge across the back of these models. So again, you can nest this really up close. The material use is very minimal. You just want to make sure that this interface doesn't show any gray and you see all the beige across, just so that Vertex slot will fit all the way in. But we can realize the material savings of using something like this versus some of those larger ones that use quite a bit of material. Once you do that, you're going to go through, save your models, and throw those into your 3D printer. So with that, we're going to hop into some best practices for 3D printing to ensure optimal results. My number one tip is to print hollow whenever possible to conserve material and reduce waste. Opt for hollow prints when possible. Just make sure that you're implementing some type of drain hole or lifting the print off of the build platform with supports to allow for venting and mitigating the possibility of blowouts. Number 2 is to preheat your resin. Preheating your resin allows it to help with the viscous nature of resins at room temperature. Bringing it up to about 30 degrees Celsius will lead to more successful prints simply because that resin will flow back into the void left by the build platform lifting up. And then my number 3 tip is to dispel the notion of layer thickness and its effect on accuracy. Generally, printing at 50 or even 100 microns is sufficient for accurate models. Printing at 25 microns or less often has little to no impact on the accuracy of prints and only serves to extend print times. So with that, I want to say thank you for watching our product feature of the Harvest Vertex Articulator. We hope this video has highlighted how this innovative solution can streamline your digital workflows and enhance your lab's efficiency. For more information or to get your own Harvest Vertex articulators, visit harvestdental.com. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and more product demonstrations like this, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.